5 string methods that every beginner should use. So in this class, we're going to talk about 5 string methods. So we have a string here, x equals to Python. Now let's suppose I want to make it in uppercase. So what I can do, I have to write simple print and I will write x dot upper. So upper is a method that we have in string. Alright, x dot upper and parenthesis. Now see, if I run the code, you will see that the Python is in uppercase, right? Now in the same way, we have one more. Let's suppose we have a string y equals to Python and it's all in uppercase. Now I want to make it in lowercase. So what I can do, I can write again print y dot lower. We have this method called lower. Whenever you want to make your string in lowercase, just use lower method. Alright. Now in the same way, after upper and lower, we have the third method, which is replace. Now let's suppose instead of Python, I want to replace it with Java. Alright, like instead of Python, I want Java. Alright. So what I can do, I will write here print y dot replace. Now what I want to replace, I want to replace Python with Java. Alright, so I will write Python comma Java. Python is actually in uppercase. Now you will see that if I run the code, you will see I'm gonna get Java here. Why? Because I replaced Python with Java. So that's how you use replace method. Alright, now after this replace method, we have a fourth method which is very, very important, that is strip. What? Strip it down. So let's suppose we have a string like space 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 hello and world and then space space space. Okay, so now let's suppose I want to strip down all these extra spaces from the left hand side and from the right hand side of the string. So for that I can use strip method. All I have to do, I have to write x dot strip just like this, and now if I run the code, you will see that I'm gonna get hello world. Alright, and we don't have any extra spaces on the left hand side or the right hand side of the string. Now in the same way, after strip we have something very, very important called title case. So let's suppose we have x equals to Python like this, and I want to make the first letter of this string in uppercase. So I'm gonna write a x dot title just like this. Now if I run the code, you will see that I'm getting P of Python is in uppercase, it's in title case. So title means that whenever you want to make every letter of each word in uppercase, so in that case we use title. Alright, so these are the 5 strings method. These are the very basic method that we all should know, and they are very, very important.